So I welcome you all to this 10-day program on inner transformation, and it's an interesting program that we synthesized. That's me and my wife, based on our life's experiences and various spiritual schools or spiritual studies that we have been associated with. And why 10 days is because for us to assimilate anything, it takes time and it takes certain degree of practice. So yes, hence it is a 10-day program. Why inner transformation? We experience a lot of things outside of ourselves, but sometimes, not sometimes, but most of the time, the solution is internal, right? Hence, let's go within within ourselves these 10 days. So before we get started, let us can you all close our eyes? Why close our eyes is to disconnect from the external world. We completely disconnect from the external world, right? And we connect to this world as if nothing outside of all of us exists in this world. This is the entire world. We can inhale. We can inhale deep, fill our bellies with oxygen or prana. We hold our breath. And we exhale. We exhale all the thoughts, any emotion. Once again, inhale deep. Fill your stomach with the prana. Hold. And exhale all the thoughts, all the emotions, positive or negative. You are an absolute thoughtless being right now. Once again, inhale, deep, deep, fill your stomach with the prana. Hold your breath. And exhale. We do this one more time. Inhale. Inhale all the fresh prana. As you inhale, fill yourself with this positive, fresh prana. Hold. And exhale all thoughts of emotions. Visualize yourself as a thoughtless being. Once you're done, you may gently open your eyes.